In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rows in Notion, step by step. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you exactly how to add rows in a Notion table, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open Notion. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace. From there, open a page that contains a table database. In Notion, a table is just a database shown in rows and columns, where each column is a property, like text, number, date, or tags. If your page has a table view, you're in the right place. Now let's add a new row. Scroll to the very bottom of the table. You'll see a plus new button, or you might see a faint empty row waiting for input. Either option works. Click plus new to instantly create a fresh row, or click directly into the empty row at the bottom to start filling it in. Notion will add the row as soon as you begin typing. Next, type your data. Click inside any cell in that row and enter your information. You can move across the row to fill out each column. If you like, use the Tab key to move to the next cell and Shift plus Tab to go back, which can speed things up. Each column behaves according to its property type. For example, a text property lets you type freely, while a select property lets you choose from a list. Don't worry about saving. Notion saves your changes automatically as you type. When you're ready to add more rows, you have two quick options. Press Enter on your keyboard to create another new row so you can keep going without taking your hands off the keys. Or, if you prefer clicking, just select plus new again at the bottom of the table. Both methods accomplish the same thing, so use whichever feels most natural. A couple of simple tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the plus new button, double-check that you're actually viewing a table database and that you've scrolled all the way to the bottom. If your table has many rows, you may need to scroll further than you expect. Also, if you make a typo, just click back into the cell and edit it. Changes update instantly. And that's all there is to it. You open Notion, open your table, add a row by clicking plus new or the empty row, type your data into the cells, and add more rows by pressing Enter or clicking plus new again. And that's how you make rows in Notion. Quick and easy. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.